Here's one of the more popular body style Novas that we've sold. 1963 Chevy 2. As you can see, SS trim on it. Wheel covers, emblems in the rear. Now this particular car would have came from the factory as saddle tan, which would be paint code 932. So as you can see, it's a similar color yet. Now whether it's an identical match to a 932 from 1963, it may be a little bit off, but very similar to how this car would have came from General Motors back in 1963. What is different though, this would originally came with an inline 6 in it. Underneath the hood, 350 V8, that is paired with an automatic transmission, actually a 700 R4, so you'd have an automatic with overdrive transmission paired up with a 350 underneath the hood of these, which is seen done a lot because it was a small car, lightweight. A lot of people like to put the V8s in them, and a nice little muscle car. As you can see, it's the 63 Coupe, it would have been considered, or of course, we don't know to call them hard tops. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, in the link, or there's a link in the description. Click on that link. That's going to take you right to our website and the pictures of this car. You can sure call us to 507-386-1726. I would call this a driver quality car as far as the bright work. Nice shape, but you will find a little bit of pitting here and there on it, if you can kind of see that. I mean, nothing terrible, but you will notice it does show its age a little bit, but it's still presentable. There's a great running car. Every time I've started it, it pops right over. And power steering and power brakes. Can't remember if I mentioned that, but there is some nice equipment on this one also. Played around with a little bit on the inside, and it's got some aftermarket gauges down below the dash. Do work. I did get some sound, some static out of the radio, so it is getting power, but inside the building here I was not able to get reception, or if the radio doesn't work, but there is static that comes out of the speaker as you move the dial. Wipers do work also. Bucket seat car, as you can see, with the shifter on the floor. Had black bucket seats. Come around to the rear, you can see a pretty straight car. Not full of a bunch of dents or dings. Again, I would consider it a very, very solid driver quality car. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at as far as the transportation goes. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so ask your sales associate about that if you give a call in or email. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on that. Ford 9-inch rear end has been put in this one. According to the notes we got on it anyway. And you can check out, again, the underside pictures and all of that for yourself at UniqueClassicCars.com. And then down in the description of this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Like I said, here's the black bucket vinyl seats that were put in it. Center console. Back seat's also in nice shape. Headliner also in good shape. Door panels all very presentable. Super Sport steering wheel. Let's check out the gauge cluster. We'll start this up. See how easily it starts, like I said. So it's popped right off. Nice sounding car. Tack does work. Little aftermarket gauge cluster added down here. I did mention the wipers worked. Pretty stock looking dash. Slip around to the back here. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. I'm gonna slip around to the front now and pause this a second, and we'll pop the hood and check out the 350 underneath there. Alright, here you go. Aluminum radiator. We'll dress up Edelbrock valve covers and air cleaner cover. Your power steering, power brake car, 350 V8. And remember, that is paired with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. So, it'll be a nice one to take down the highway. Have a little fun. This one will be a good car for any of your local cruise-ins or local car shows. Again, very popular body style, 63. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate. Look forward to hearing from you.